Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Akpeje. Today I'm here to share with you how I make palaver sauce or Kotomire stew. Do you like Kotomire stew? Do you like it with rice or plantain or even yam? So guys, let's start. So I have my Kotomire here. So I'm removing the hard place, that's the back of the Kotomire. So I don't like that place inside my palaver sauce, so I'll remove it and throw that place away. Then I'll start arranging it. Then I will cut it into small pieces. So the first place I'm throwing it away. Now I'll start cutting it into small pieces. So tell me, do you cut your Kotomire yourself or you let the market women cut it for you? For me, I like doing it myself in the house so that I can see inside if there's some animal inside. So I finished cutting my Kotomire. I add some salt on top, then add water, then I'll soak this like 5 minutes before I wash it like 3 times. Guys, now I'm using 2 medium onion because my onion is not plenty, it's not big, that's why I'm using 2. So if you have big onion, you can use only 1. So I'm chopping it into small pieces. Now it's time to start the sauce. I have my pot on fire. I'm adding my red oil. Then that's salted fish. I add it to it. Then I'll stir it and fry it a little bit. Then I'll add my chopped onion and fry it very well so the onion is releasing that good and nice smell. So this is my seasoning: onion, ginger, garlic and pepper. I put it inside the freezer, that's why it's blocked, so I will let it to melt before I'll add my blended tomatoes. So the blended tomatoes go in, so I'm stirring it. I'll stir it to everything has combined very well. Then I cover it to cook like 5 to 6 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes is what it look like. So I'm seasoning it. I'm using 1 Maggi, of course my favorite seasoning, complete seasoning. That's only 2 seasoning I'm using for this recipe. So I will stir it to combine the seasoning and the sauce very well. And then I'm adding my salmon. What fish do you like to put inside your Kotomire? Salmon or wele or dry fish? So now the stew is ready. The smell is everywhere. That's my agushi. So I'll be putting it inside small just like this because I want it to be inside like egg. So now I cover it like 2 minutes. Then I'll come back. I'm stirring it gently. I won't stir it, I won't be harsh on it so that it will scatter inside. I'm just trying to make sure it shouldn't burn under the pot. So I cover it again. Now it's ready. Can you see how it's looking like? This is exactly what I'm looking for. So now it's time to add my Kotomire. Then I'll use my spoon to push it inside. Make sure everything have go inside the sauce. Tell me, do you make your Kotomire stew or your palaver sauce this way? What fish do you like to put inside your palaver sauce? Do you use salted fish? Of course, me dear, I use salted fish to do my palaver sauce every time because it gives that smelling, that good scent, that good smelling, that good aroma to the sauce. Guys, the sauce is almost ready. Can you see that? It's almost ready. So I'm stirring it. Then I'll cover it again for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then it will be ready. So now my sauce is ready. I'm using this to eat rice. Some of them are using it to eat with plantain. So this my rice, I add my sauce on it. Then it's time to enjoy. Guys, thank you so much for your support, for your caring, for your love. I really appreciate it. I don't know that I can get that much love from you people. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And to see you in my next video.